Hey everybody, it's Bex here, and it is time for your annual New Year's meditation for new beginnings. I can't believe this is the 7th New Year's meditation that I'm going to be leading you through. I've been doing this since New Year's 2014, and it's about to be 2020. But if you aren't watching this on the new year, it's fine. Every day is yours to start brand new. 7 years ago, I didn't have any gray hairs. I only had 4 kids, not 5. I hadn't written any books, and now I have 4. And I'm sure a lot has happened in 7 years for you. So you can tell me about that in the comments, or we can chat online. You're going to find links in the video description to connect with me every single day. I have my private Facebook community. I have Instagram, of course, Facebook, and I also have a special gift for you. It is my Fail Proof Your Goals worksheet that is available for free. It is a 5-part ritual that I've been doing for several years now with my husband and my friends, and it's very unique. It's not about setting resolutions. It's about celebrating yourself, celebrating what you've accomplished, setting goals, dreaming up dreams for the new year, and then creating an action plan. And I promise you it's easy, and I promise you, you will love it. It's like nothing you've done before. For today's meditation, I'm going to be bringing you through the first part 1, reflect on the good. If you've never meditated before, no worries. I'm going to be leading you through all the steps, showing you how to get into meditation, and then guiding you with my words and some affirmations to make you feel good. I want you now to settle into your easy or comfortable seat. Doesn't matter if you're on the floor, on a pillow like me, sitting in a chair, if you're lying in bed even. Anything that feels good is good. I'll invite you, if it feels safe and comfortable, to close your eyes. If not, you can keep your eyes gently focused on a point across the room, a beloved object. Try to sit up as tall as you can, or if it feels better, stay semi-reclined but not lying completely flat. If you're sitting up, inhale your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale and roll your shoulder blades down along your spine. One more time, inhale up. Exhale back and down. And finally, pretend that the crown of your head has a string attached to it and it's being pulled up, just so that you straighten a little more. Your hands can be placed down on your knees or your thighs, upturned to receive the energy around you, or off to the side if you are lying down or reclined. I'm keeping my hands upturned because this is an energizing meditation to get me motivated and excited about the new year ahead. And again, whenever you're doing this, every day is yours to start brand new. Every day has all of the possibility and opportunity of a new beginning. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Your easy inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. They should be natural and effortless. You're not forcing a thing here. I say this all the time. It's no matter if they are short and shallow or long and deep. Your breath is just communicating with you. It's telling you where you are in the moment, emotionally, physically, energetically. Just observe your breath as it is. And try with every exhale to imagine that you are relaxing just a little bit more. You're releasing just a little bit of tension that you might be holding on to. You're allowing yourself to feel easy and safe in this moment. You're allowing yourself to feel easy and safe in this moment. Closing your eyes removes visual distraction, and following your inhales and exhales as they travel through your body allows you to bring your focus on something tangible, something you're experiencing now, and away from any thoughts that might be repeating in your head or any worries about the future, any grievances about the past. You can bring your focus to your breath at any moment, in any place, and be reminded that you are safe, that you have the ability to choose peace in that moment, or at least attach yourself to the possibility of peace and calm. Your breath is a reminder of all of that. Planning ahead also means looking back, not just at the mistakes we've made or the way we've grown through adversity or overcome obstacles, but it also means looking back in celebration, to look at what we've done, to feel those good feelings again. So I'm going to lead you through 3 questions, prompts, and then just for a few moments, I want you to think on those. Later, when you do the worksheet, you'll be reminded of what you did in meditation, and those feelings will become even more real, even more ingrained into your energetic body. Your first prompt, ask yourself, what did I do good this year? How was I helpful? How was I kind? What good choices did I make? Allow the answers to come to you in words or pictures. To flow in gently into your mind space. And then releasing each thought to make room for the next. Be reminded of all the good. Next question. What goals did I accomplish this year? Think back to your resolutions from last year. Think back at what you wanted to do, and don't just count completing the goal or completing the task. Allow yourself to celebrate every step you took, even if it didn't lead to success. And if this was a particularly hard year, celebrate all the days you got up, you got dressed, and you faced the day. All the times you reached out to a friend for their hand, for help. You made it through another year, and that's a big deal. Celebrate that. And then your last question. What were all the magic moments? What were the magic moments that I enjoyed this year? The times you laughed until your belly hurt. Time with friends, time with family. Times that you just felt good because you're alive. All those magic moments, those little tiny pieces of joy. Allow those to float into your mind space. Float around a bit. And then let them go. Release them to make room for the next joyful thought. The next magical moment. The next memory that just makes you smile. You can even smile now if you want to. Slowly now, bring your attention back to your breath. Notice as it enters in through your nose, travels down your throat, into your chest, to your belly, and then travels up and out again. A reminder that you are here, you are alive, you are worthy, you are ready for another year. This is life force. This is vitality. Be fully in your physicality right now. Feel all of the sensations in your physical body. Maybe wiggle your nose, your fingers, your toes. Roll your shoulders up with your inhale. Release with your exhale. And then gently is the key. Flutter your eyes open and return to your space. Easy, right? Easy, and it feels good. And that's how all wellness should be. It should be accessible. It should be simple. It should feel joyful, like you're doing something good for yourself. And now you have spent time in self-care, which is self-love, and you have prepared yourself for the next moments. You thought good thoughts that are going to carry you forward, and you have laid the perfect foundation for planning your hopes, your dreams, your big goals. I love you so much. I am so appreciative of all the years, all the moments we've spent together. I hope you'll keep watching. I hope you'll click the links in the video description so we can connect more. Please leave your comments below, your requests, your questions. I say it 3 times because I really want to affirm the truth of it. I am so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you so much for showing up for me because it inspires and compels me to show up for you. We're in this together. I love you. Hey guys, it's Bex here and welcome to 2014 and my brand new videos for my series, You Have 4 Minutes for Meditation. Today we're doing a New Year's meditation, but if you happen to be watching this on a day that is not New Year's Day, that's okay because every day is yours to start brand new.